I make my own roads.
Well, keep your eyes on your road then.
Hey, Sam, did you want to drive?
I mean, kind
Too
of.
bad. Buckle up, Buttercup.
Oh!
Well, this isn't my car.
There, I see the train! We're gaining on it!
Don't slow down!
Shit, motorbikes!
Run them off the road!
Got one!
Hey! No one rides the train! Take that guy off! Good one! You can't lose sight of the train! Out of my way! Down one!
The train! There's the train!
Sam! Take care of the tusk!
Don't you worry! I got it! Go get him, ladies! Oh, shit!
Good luck, mate. Think he'll be all right? Didn't know you cared. He's got the tusk. Hey, did you catch where they put that giant crate? Near the engine. Right, that's our next stop then.
Shit. Nowhere to climb.
Over here.
Mind your step.
Yep. Let's try the other side. Whoa, easy now. Okay, good. Making progress. Out here. Oh, shit. Company's here.
Assault guys. Well, we still have the element of surprise.
to move faster! you joking?
Do I ever? Let's do this.
Grenade!
Oh, shit.
Oh my god! Ah! Oh. Holy hell!
Got his attention. Move in. More vehicles coming on the other side. Need me to do that?
No.
But I want to shoot it.
Maybe next time.
Two more now. Watch those snipers. Clear them up.
Oh shit! He doesn't look happy.
We did that?
Yeah, we did.
Right. This truck's on its last legs.
We need to bail now. Whose stupid idea was this?
Yours. Trading the tusk for a bomb? Commandeering a train? Must have taken us 12 months to plan this.
Making it all the sweeter when we bollocks it all up. I think we're almost there. Won't budge.
Let me help. This is really heavy.
Go! I got it.
Okay, your turn.
Oh! It's way bigger in person.
That's military grade, all right.
Here, help me.
It's too heavy.
You can't disarm it?
It'd detonate if I tried.
All right, plan B then. Let's get to the engine.
You coming?
Okay, you go. That's definitely the engine. We can slide this way. Come on. No. No, no, no! The welded it shut. Shit. Hey, roof hatch. Okay, this is really dangerous. Don't think about what you're doing. Just do it. Come on!
Any luck?
This one's welded shut too.
Must be another way.
If you've got any ideas, I'm all in.
A switch!
What?
Up ahead, the switch house. If we can get to it, we can divert the train, buy us some time.
Sounds good. Need a ride. Mind if... Oh, shit, the D! God damn it! You boys just can't leave well enough alone. Don't have much time.
Truckers crossed us!
Holy hell! Sam! Hey, Sam! Where is he going?
Holy shit! Hey!
We need to switch the train to another track! Sam! Sam!
Where's Nadine?
Back on the train! We have to flip the switch! We don't have time for this!
Hey, jackasses! Can you get us a minute?
Shit! The train's getting closer!
We got this!
We're clear!
All right, back to the switch.